Welcome to this 4-bedroom villa located on a residential area in Carvoeiro. This 2-storey detached villa is very spacious, and when you enter the property you have an open plan dining and lounge, fully fitted kitchen with balcony and 2 bedrooms. Downstairs are further 2 bedrooms that go out to the swimming pool with a large sun terrace and a garage that's been converted into a large storage space. From upstairs you have mountain views from one of the bedrooms and the balcony from the kitchen. This villa is a short drive to the centre of Carvoeiro. Let me show you round.